Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will show you how to manage inventories, create and add stock to invoices, and track stock levels. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Inventory and Suppliers tab to view the current list of stock items. Click on the New Stock button to add a new item to the list. Enter the relevant description details for the new stock item, such as stock number, stock name, and quantity. Don't forget to enter a value into the quantity field to enable tracking and stock alerts for this item, as we will demonstrate shortly. Enter the price at which the item is purchased and sold. Note that you can also enter multiple pricing levels. This way, individual customers can be charged different rates. Enter the other fields as required and click on Save at the bottom of the screen once you are done to return to the stocks list. To locate your new stock item, use the search field to the right of the screen. Click on the item to see a summary of the information we entered earlier, including the current quantity. Note also the provisions to track purchase and sales histories at the bottom of the screen. At the top of the screen here, you can set up stock alerts. First, click Enable in the Stock Alert field here. The alert quantity will notify you when the stock reaches this level. The reorder point will show you this item as an option to reorder once it reaches the reorder point. This can be seen when selecting Show Suggested Reorder Stocks under the Inventory and Suppliers tab, which I will demonstrate in a moment. The maximum quantity is the maximum quantity of this item you want to have in stock. To add your new stock item to an invoice, navigate to the Invoices and Bills tab and select an invoice. Then select Plus Item on the invoice and type in the first few letters of your stock's name or number and select it from the drop-down list. Click on Save to update your changes. Note that finalizing the invoice by selecting the Finalize button will also update the current stock level from 6 down to 5. As the quantity of this item is now below the stock alert level we set up earlier, it will prompt a notification in the Notifications tab in the toolbar. This item has also reached the reorder point, so by selecting Show Suggested Reorder Stocks here, this item will show and we can select the checkbox here and hit Reorder to create a purchase order for this item. Fill in the relevant fields to create this purchase order. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.